Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kirsty. It's wonderful to have you joining me this morning in this all-day cleaning video. This was just like a really large major clean to get done. I am in my last month of pregnancy and yeah, things are getting wild around here. So I'm just trying to get as much done as I possibly can. I'm so glad that you're joining me today, and I hope this is encouraging for maybe you're a mom at home and want to get something done, cleaning or organizing, or just motivation to get a little bit of work or something else done. I hope this is helpful and enjoyable. So let's get going with the cleaning. Now my son actually just spilt his milk and breakfast cereal all over his carpet. Fortunately, we recently got these ruggables and they are amazing, and I can just throw it in the wash. Another great product that I recently found and actually just went for, which I'm super impressed, is this Force of Nature. It's a cleaner and disinfectant. It kills 99.9% of germs. They actually have approvals and testing done for that, and you can use it on pretty much any surface as a deodorizer, sanitizer, just everything, and it's all safe. So I've been using that pretty much almost as my only cleaner, and I have been enjoying it a lot. You can spray it on kids' teddies or toys and just clean it up. So if you've been looking for something that's safe and just a good all-around cleaner, I'll definitely give them a go. Now I still have some of my Honest spray that I had, which I do enjoy, but I do prefer the Force of Nature. But I'm using up some of my Honest spray in the bathrooms because I still have some. I do like the Honest cleaning spray. I think it does a really good job as well. It kind of leaves a residue, and you can't just spray it on any material. So that's why I've also been enjoying the Force of Nature. Now this is one of our new rugs as well. It's a ruggable, and funny enough, this day I had yet to wash the giant size, and I thought I was getting away with it, and then at the end of the day my son messed stuff all over it. So I had to pull it up and actually put it in the machine, and it fit in my machine and it came out. And again, I'm really glad to have the washable rugs. I do like the natural rugs. Like I used to have a jute one and a wool one, and I think those things are really good. Unfortunately, with the little kids, it's just those things are so hard to keep clean. So again, I went with the washable rugs, and I'm really glad that I did. My daughter's starting to learn to like to clean and want to help me, which is wonderful, and sometimes it makes things take extra long, but it's okay. It takes all day pretty much to get everything done anyway, and then you still have to clean at the end of the day a little bit. If you're feeling like you don't know how to stay on top of things, if cleaning may feel overwhelming, or you have kids, especially small children, and things just seem impossible, I found that it's not as difficult as you think, and things don't take as long as you think. For instance, even in the morning, to unpack the dishwasher doesn't take more than 5 minutes. That's just 5 minutes of your day as you get into the kitchen, unpack it, and then that helps for the whole day that you can keep the dirty dishes going into the dishwasher. So even if you can do little lists of really small things that you can try to do every single day, that will help you to not maybe feel so overwhelmed or like you just can't stay on top of things. Now this day I'm washing bedding, I'm doing literally everything, so it actually takes me all day. But on the day-to-day, I just try to do even small things and just do them regularly, because I feel like if you do them regularly, things don't build up dirt and grime and things just flow really smoothly. So if possible, take a few minutes, find a few things that you can even choose to do every single day, like unpacking the dishwasher, to help things maybe run a little smoother in your home and make you feel like you can stay on top of it. So Princeton's rug is actually all washed and clean, and I could lay it back down. The marks came right out, which is fantastic. I got these little bookshelves that you might notice in the kids' rooms. I found them at Target for only $5, and we put them up for some books for them, and they've been enjoying it a lot. Here are some of the rooms that I didn't get to video, but I did clean. This is the one bathroom that my husband just painted. Yeah, we just got some paint painted, and actually the light fixture is the original. We used some black spray paint, and he spray painted the light fixtures, the towel racks, a whole bunch of the accent pieces, and it made a massive difference with just some new light bulb. I actually completed all of these bathrooms. I cleaned our master bedroom. I got all of it done. Here's our master bathroom as well, that we just did very few minor tweaks to it besides painting, and it made a massive difference. So I've been enjoying it so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was inspiring, and I'll see you next time. Bye.